Steven here from the CrossbowStore.com. Today we'll be taking a look at this Sniper 80-pound self-cocking pistol crossbow. It has an incredible power, a slick design, and a price that cannot be beat. The 80-pound pistol crossbow is constructed with an aluminum body, giving it virtually indestructible quality while also making it lightweight. It has a sight position at the end of the barrel to ensure accuracy while shooting. Perfect for target practice and amateur competition. Included with the bow package are 3 aluminum arrows with field point tips, a bowstring, and behind the package you'll find assembly instructions as well. This crossbow shoots 200 feet per second with a pinpoint accuracy up to 40 yards. Hey everyone, basically I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to go ahead and cock this bow as safely as possible. First thing you're going to need to do is make sure that the knob in the back is clicked all the way back into safety. Then in the back of the crossbow you'll see a knob which you will need to hold down. That will release the 2 hooks that will allow you to basically pull the 2 hooks back so that you could cock your string all the way back into the trigger mechanism. So go ahead and do that. As you can see, it has gone ahead and cocked. And then what you'll need to do is set up your arrow. Make sure that it hits all the way in the back of the trigger mechanism. Make sure that when you're putting your arrow, you're facing down at all times. And then when you're ready to fire, what you need to do is just make sure you press the knob forward in the fire position.